Hello, and this is Eric Sparks, and I figured I'd do a unboxing video.
Viewfinder image.
I got this.
Adult eyeglasses, sunglasses, possible text 000007.
Hold on, let me mute my voiceover real fast. That's my voiceover in the background, which we'll be hearing a lot of that uh, on this YouTube channel because
4:07 p.m. 4 notifications.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna design this YouTube channel. Don't really know what I'm gonna call it yet. I'm gonna think of a title, but I'm gonna name it something for the blind. It's going to be a channel where visually impaired people will go, or sighted people if they want to help the visually impaired people maybe master their technology or something, or a place where visually impaired people can know where to get their technology at. Like if they need to know how to use something. So I got this from Google for being a YouTube Premium member, which was pretty cool. They sent me a promotional email. So now we're going to do a review on it. And I'm not sure what color it is. I'm going to check my phone real fast and we'll see what color it is. But I wanted you all to get the, let me move this. I wanted you all to get the full unboxing experience.
Speech off.
So, alright, let me turn my speech off. Alright.
4:08 p.m. 5 notifications. Keep receiving notifications from your Google app. Keep receiving notifications from your app. Keep receiving notifications. Gmail 1 minute. Gmail clear. Button. Confirm show less. Button.
Okay, let me go.
Doc. Mail.
Let me see what color it is.
Unread. eBay. Your unsolved. Apple. Your receipt from Apple. Yes. Mail. Mail. 2600 email. Mail. 1 hour ago. eBay. Checkout incomplete. Outlook. Gmail. 2200. Gmail. Navigation. Google Store. Your Google Store shipment is here. Google Store time to celebrate FedEx. Google Store. Items. Track. Button. Selected. To me. Button. More info. Reply. More menu. Google Store. Link. Time to celebrate. FedEx just dropped off. Check mark. Row 1. Ordered. Column. May 28th. Shipped. Column 1. June 4th. Delivered. Column. June 10th. Column. Nest Mini. Charcoal. Row 2.
Okay, yeah, this is the charcoal color.
Gmail. Gmail. 2290.
So, let's do an unboxing and see what we get. So, you're going to want to download the Google Home app. I'll try to leave that in the description so that way you all can go to the App Store and download it. But you need the Google Home app in order to be able to use it. So let's, without further ado, I wanted you all to get the live unboxing. Let me move my camera here so I can. I'm just getting started doing this. You know, I see other YouTube people doing this stuff, so I kind of got inspired to make a channel especially for the visually impaired people. So I'm guessing that you're able to see this box okay. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what we get. So first step we're going to do is we're going to remove the plastic from the box. Okay, and as you can see, let's see how this opens here. Let me see. Okay, we got a. I don't know if you turn it around. Let's see. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our, let's see. We've got the Google Nest Mini sitting directly on top, and it's in like this this cloth material. I'm doing don't know if you all can see that or not, but in the top here we've got our Google Mini. Here's what it looks like. Okay, let me see. Yep, that's what it looks like. It's the charcoal. Okay, now setting that off to the side. I'll set that right here. We also get our accessory packet, which will come with our plug, which is always nice to have. And let me see what this end is. It's not micro USB or USB Type C or Lightning or anything like that. You gotta get your own. Like it's a. Here's what the adapter looks like. It's a round adapter. It's a round adapter, and it's got this end. I don't know what this end is called, but here's some paperwork, and all that stuff, which is meaningless to us. You know, we'll figure this out ourselves. Let's see what else we get inside here. Let me move all this to the side, and let's see what else we get inside here. Okay, let's see. I think that about wraps it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and plug this in, and I think it should come with a wall mount because that's what it said it came with. Oh, yep, that's it. That's the wall mount. I just got. Well, let's get this thing set up and we'll worry about the wall mount later. Let me just put all this stuff back in. And I got this for being a YouTube premium member, which was pretty cool. They sent me a promotional email. Put this lid on here and show you how it goes on. It goes on just exactly like this. You just put it back on like that. And it's pretty interesting. It's got the little, okay, let's see. Let me show you. On the back right here, it's got the mute, like the microphone switch. And then on the front, it's got the spot where you can plug, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, where my finger is, it's got the spot where you can plug in the adapter. So let me go see if I can get this set up. I will be right back. We're going to get the live experience in here. Okay, now if you it comes with like these little cord clips out of the box too. Like if you get it, it comes with this little clip on the cord. That way, I would keep up with these if you wanna make sure your cord's neat. If you're, going to travel or something like that, that'd be a good place to keep that. Okay, now, in order to plug the speaker in, it's pretty durable. You just take this end and then put it where the little hoe is on the back. Okay, just like that. And then it's got a standard wall plug that you can plug into any outlet. So let's go get it set up, and I'll put the Google Home app in the description. That way, it'll give you a link to download it and show you how everything works. So let me go get this set up here. We'll test the volume. We'll test all that stuff, see how loud everything is, and see some of the features that it does. So it's pretty grippy too. It's got a rubber back. It's got like a rubber, like it's got a rugged feel. So you won't have to worry about this thing being durable.
4:17 p.m. One notification.
Like a durability issue. I don't think so. Real. Okay, let's see.
4:17 p.m.
Durability, I don't think you'll have trouble with. Let's plug it in, and we're gonna wait for it to boot up. So there'll be some lights. There'll be some lights on the speaker, and all we're gonna do is just wait for the introduction to set it up here. Okay, I'm back. So we just gotta wait.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so if you haven't done that already, download the Google Home app, which is what it said.
4:18 p.m.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up our Google Home app.
Games folder. Actions available.
Open up Google Home.
More options. Welcome home. Control your content. Video. Play. Button. Get started. Get started. Button.
And for those of you who are new, it'll give a video tutorial on how the app works. So if you're already familiar with the process on how everything works, you can just go ahead and click or double tap on Get Started for voiceover users.
Play. Get started. Button.
So we're going to click on Get Started.
Messages. Now. Cody Charles. Can't wait to see him grow. Dismiss. Eric Sparks. Button. This account will be used to choose account. More options. Button.
Okay, so it'll ask you to choose what account you want this Google Home or Google Nest Mini to sign into. So we're going to choose our Google account, because if you're signed into one Google app, all your accounts will show up on any Google app. So, like if you're signed into Gmail, if you're signed into Gmail, it'll show all of your accounts on this app too. So,
Choose account. This account will be used to Eric Sparks. Button. Sparks Entertainment 50 at Cassie Robinson. Eric Sparks. Button. Eric Sparks at gmail.com.
okay,
Eric Sparks. Button. Eric Sparks at gmail.com.
we're going to double tap on the account we want to use.
Selected. Eric Sparks. Button. Back. More options. Choose account. This account will be Eric Sparks. Button. Sparks at Cassie Rob. Selected. Eric. Use. Your use. Okay. Button. Your use of Google's. Use another account. Button. Your okay. Okay. Button.
And now we want to double tap. We want to double tap on the OK button.
Okay. ASAITMM cast. Button.
Okay, let's see.
Create a home. Heading. Set up Nest Mini. Button. Dismiss. Button. Assign your devices to room. Get started. ASAITMM.
Okay,
Set up Nest. Create
so now we want to double tap on Set Up Nest Mini.
Set up Nest Mini. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exit. More options. Choose a home. Heading. You'll be able to control it. Create another home. Button. Next. End. Next. End. Create another home.
We're going to figure this out here.
You'll be able to control the devices and services in this home. Choose a home. Heading. More options. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exit set. More options. Button. Choose a home. Heading. You'll be able to control the devices and services in this home. Create another home. Button. Next. End. Next. End. Button. Exit. More options. Choose a home. More options. Button. Help. Button. Feedback. Button. Cancel. Cancel. Button. Exit setup. Button.
Okay, so if you double tap on options, if you're not really sure what to do, you could it'll give you where you can send feedback.
Top of exit set. More options. Choose a home. Head. You'll be able to control the devices and services in this home. Create another home. Next. End. Next. Create another home. Selected. Create another home. Exit. More options. Choose a home. You'll be able to control. Selected. Create another. Next. Button. Next. Button. Selected. You'll be able to control. Choose a home. Heading. More options. Exit setup. Exit setup. Button.
Okay, let's see.
Alert. 1. Setup is not complete. Resume. Button. Exit. Button. Exit. Button. Sign Nest. Create a home. Set up Nest. Dismiss. Assign your. Get started. ASAITMM. Selected. Get started. Assign your devices to rooms to control everything in one place. Get started. Button. ASAITMM. Selected. Home. Feed. Tab. Talk to the assistant. Talk to the assistant. Feed. Select. Get started. Button. Assign your devices to rooms to control everything in one place. Dismiss. Button. Set up Nest Mini. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exit. More options. Choose a home. Heading. You'll be able to control it. Create another home. Button. Create another home. Button. Next. Next. End. Button. Create. You'll be able to control the devices and services in this home. You'll be able to control. Choose a home. Heading. Choose a home. More options. Exit setup. Exit setup. Button.
Let's see.
Setup is not complete. Resume. Exit. Button. Resume. Button. Actions available. You'll be able to create. Next. End. Next. End. Button. Create another home. Button.
Let me go and see what's going on here.
The mic's off. The mic's back on.
Next. End. Next. Create. You'll be able to control. Choose. More options. Exit. Set. Exit setup. Button. Setup. Resume. Exit. Button. Sign in as Eric Sparks. EricSparks@gmail.com. Button.
Okay.
Create home. Heading. Setup. Dismiss. Button. Assign. Get started. Button. ASAIT. Get started. Button. Close. Close. More options. Setup. Heading. Set up new devices or add existing devices. New devices. Set up new devices. Google Home. Chromecast. Smart Display. Works with Google. Have something already set up. Works with Google. Set up new devices. Google Home. Chrome. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Choose a home. You'll be able to create another. Next. Next. End. Button. Create. You'll be able to control. Create another home. Selected. Create another home. Next. Next. Button. Back. Button. Back. More options. Home nickname and address. Head. Your home nickname helps you identify. Home nickname 0/20. Home nickname. Text field. Home address. Home address. Text field. Next. End. Next. End. Button.
Okay, let's see. I'm thinking
Google Home. Games folder.
I got this figured out here. Open up Google Home.
Google Home. Talk to the assistant. Tab. 3 of 3. Create a home. Set up Nest. Create a home. Heading. Selected. Set up Nest Mini. Button. Set up.
Okay, we want to double tap on Setup Nest Mini.
Exit. More options. Choose a home. You'll be able to control. Create another home. Button.
Create another home, because we don't have any home set up, because this is my first Google Nest Mini.
Next. Create another home. Button. Selected. Create another
Now
home.
we want to double tap on Next.
Next. Button. Back. Button. Back. More options. Home nickname and address. Heading. Your home nickname helps you identify your home. The address will be used for things like directions.
Okay, so we want to choose a nickname for our home.
Home nickname 0/20. Home nickname. Text field. 20 characters. Delete.
So I'm going to just name it my name.
Cappy. Cappy RROIIVC space Eric DS shift. Cap S. Cap S P P A RRKKDSS P. Next button. Home address. Home address. Text field. Search field.
Okay, now
Search field is editing. Search. Word mode. Insertion. Cap P. Delete.
It's going to ask you to enter your home address. So just double tap on the home address button.
Numbers. 1 1 5 5 1 1. Space 151. Numbers. Shift. Cap C. Cap C H H A A R R L L I E E. Space Charlie. 151 Charlie Chapman Road. 151 Charlie Norris Road. Rich. 151 Charlie Right Hollow. Cancel button. 151 Charlie Right Hollow. Facing for KY. Search one. 151 Charlie Right search bar. Heading. Cancel. Button. 151 Charlie Right Hollow. 20 character limit. Back button. Back button. Exit setup button. Actions selected. Create another. Next button. Back button. Your home nickname help. Home nickname 0/20. Home nickname. Text field. 20 character limit. Cappy RRIIFC space shift. Cap S. Cap F P P A ARRL KKDSS. Your home nickname help. Home nickname 11. Clear text button. Home address. Text field. Clears home nickname 11/20. Text field is editing. Eric Sparks. Clears home address. Text field. Search field is editing. Search field is editing. Search numbers. 1 1 5 5 1.
Now you enter your address.
Space 151. Shift. Cap C. Cap C H H A A R R L L I W E E B. Delete B. Space Charlie. Shift. Cap N. Cap N A A T Y Y N N. Delete N B N N A A R R D D. Space me shift. Cap T. Cap T. Delete. Cap T. Cap R. Cap R D D. 151 Charlie Maynard Road, Beauty, KY, USA. 151 Charlie Maynard Road.
Okay, now you can double tap on your address.
Your home nickname helps you
Now double tap on next.
Next button. Home nickname 11/20. Exit set alert. Allow Google Home to use your location.
Okay, and you want to click allow to use location or don't allow.
Location access. Allow while using app button.
Allow while using app or
Allow once button.
allow once
Don't allow. Don't allow.
or don't allow.
Allow while using app.
So I'm going to double tap on allow while using app.
Google Home. More options button. Looking for devices. Headed cancel button. Cancel button.
Okay, it says looking for devices. And it just found it.
Looking for devices. Cancel. Not now. Would you like to set up this device? Google Home 0493 found. Heading. More options. Google. Not now. Next button.
Okay, and it asks you, would you like to set up this device? So it found my Google Mini, so we're going to tap on next.
Next button. More options button. More connecting to Nest Mini. Heading.
Okay, so
Button.
it's connected.
Exit. More options. Did you hear the sound? Heading. This lets you know you're connected to the try again. Button. Yes. Yes. Button.
Okay, so it's going to ask you if you heard the sound, and we heard the sound, or you can double tap on
Try again. Button.
try again for if you didn't hear it, or
Yes. Button.
yes. So we're going to double tap on yes.
Exit setup button. Exits. More options. Additional legal terms. Heading. By tapping I agree.
Okay, so just agree to the terms and conditions.
All dispute. No thanks. I agree. I agree.
So just double tap on I agree.
Exit setup button. Exits. More options. Help improve Nest Mini. Heading.
Help improve Nest Mini.
Do you want to help improve everyone's experience by sharing device tasks and craft reports with Google?
Do you want to help?
Link.
Let's see.
Do you want to help improve everyone's experience by sharing device tasks and craft reports?
So do you want to help people's experience by? Okay, so yes, I want to help Google. So
No thanks.
I'm going to click
Yes. I'm in. Button.
yes, I'm in. So double tap on yes, I'm in, or
No thanks.
no thanks button.
Yes. I'm in. Button. Activity indicator. Exit setup. Button. Exit. More option. Where is this device? Heading. Choose location for your net. Attic. Button. Backyard. Button. Basement. Button. Bathroom. Bedroom. Button.
Okay, so it's in my bedroom. So I'm going to double tap on bedroom because it asks where your device is.
Selected. Bedroom. Next.
I
Button.
just tap on next.
Back. Button. Back. More options. Custom room name. Add a custom room name. Custom room name. 0/20. Custom room name. Text field. Next. Dim.
Okay, so it's going to ask you to type in your room's name. So
Custom room name. 0/20.
I'm going to type in my name again.
Delete. Cappy. Cappy R-I-C. C. Space. Error. Shift. Cap S. Cap S. A-R-R-K-K-S. S.
Okay, now after you're done doing that,
Next. Button.
double tap on next.
Exit setup. Button. Exit. More options. Connect to Wi-Fi. Heading. Choose the Wi-Fi. F608B. Button.
Okay, so now it's going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So just double tap on either one of your Wi-Fi networks.
Selected. F608B. Next. Button. Exit setup. Button. Password. Password. Secure text.
Okay, now you just type in your password if your network has one.
Delete. F. Suggestion. Prediction. D. U. F. C. Space. Escape numbers. Period. 4, 3, 3, 4. Period. Letters. X. C. O. A. S. T. A. L.
Okay, now just double tap on the connect button.
Cancel. Connect. Button. Connect. More options. Button.
It's doing its thing.
Exit set more exit more options button exit more options set up Google Assistant head Nest Mini is powered by the Google Assistant expand button Google partners are next button exit more options button
Okay, so now it's telling you to set up the Google Assistant.
set up Google Assistant heading Nest Mini is powered by the Google Assistant ask it questions tell it to do things it's always ready to help expand button selected collapse Google partners are businesses that have a expand button services into a private when you use your assistant to talk to a service Google shares
So it just tells you all about the privacy and all that stuff. So just double tap on next.
Next button. Next. Dimmed. Turn on these settings for the full assistant experience. Turn dirtsparks@gmail.com. Contact info from your devices. Saves information about your contacts from your son and devices, including whether you contact them often. This data may be saved and used in any. No thanks. Button. Turn on. Turn on.
Okay, so we want to turn on our data. So let's see what it says here.
Turn on dirtsparks@gmail.com. Turn on these settings for the full assistant experience.
Turn on these settings for the full assistant experience.
Turn on these settings for the full assistant experience. You can can still get a limited assistance experience without them.
You can still get a limited experience without them. So
Eric Sparks at Gmail. Contact info from your devices. Saves information about your contacts from your son and devices.
contact info.
To make them easier to interact with across Google services, regardless of which device you're using. Button. This data may be saved and used in any Google service. No thanks. Button. Turn on. Turn on. Button.
Okay, so we want to turn that on. So double tap on turn on.
Exit setup. Button. Exit. More options. Setup. Google Assistant. Nest Mini is powered by the Google Assistant. Selected. Google Partners. Selected. Collapse. Button. Google Part. Google Part. Expand. Services. Window. Voice match. No thanks. Button. Teach. Voice match helps or Google Assistant identify your.
Okay, so now it's gonna have to learn your voice
Teacher. Voice match helps or Google Assistant identify
by with voice match.
No thanks. Button. I agree. I agree.
I agree.
Agrees a voice match. Here's what voice match allows your assistant to identify. No thanks. Button. I agree. I agree. Button. Alert. Google Home with light to access the microphone. The microphone. Don't alert. Okay. Okay. Button. Alert. Teach the assistant to recognize your voice. Heading. To train your assistant to recognize. Start recording. Button. Start recording. Button. To train your assistant to recognize your voice. Tap the start recording button below and then say the following when prompted. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Start recording. Button.
Okay. Hey Google.
Voice match helps your Google Assistant identify your say ellipsis. Say cancel. Button. Now say ellipsis. Great. Say now say ellipsis. Great. Say the phrase starting with okay again.
Okay Google.
Say the phrase starting with hey. Now say ellipsis.
Hey Google.
Great. Say the phrase starting with hey again.
Hey Google.
Google Home. Setting up voice match. Heading.
Okay, now
Show results with your voice.
it's setting up my voice match.
Voice match has been set up. Learn more. Link. No thanks. Button. I agree. Button.
Okay, so you can click on learn more, no thanks, or I agree.
I agree. Button.
So let's double tap on that.
I agree. End. Choose your assistant's voice. Heading. Choose the voice of your assistant.
Okay, so now you can choose the voice of your choice. So it's going to give you different voice choices here.
Voice 1. Selected. Button. Play sample. Button.
Okay, voice 1,
Voice 2. Not play sample. Button.
voice 2.
Next. Button. Next.
Play sample.
Voice. Play sample.
So let's play the samples of the voices.
Voice 1. Selected. Play sample. Button. Play sample.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Okay, that's the
Denise versus and more.
default Google voice.
Voice 2. Not selected. Play sample. Button. Play sample. Gmail. Now. In.
Here to help you throughout your day.
Okay.
Voice 2. Play sample. Button. Voice 1. Selected. Button.
Okay, we want voice 1, I want. So there's a male voice or a female voice. Voice 1 is the female voice. And then voice 2 is the male voice.
Click voice 2. Play sample. Next. Next. Button.
Now, when you're done doing that, you want to make sure that whatever voice you choose says selected. And then after that, you want to double tap on next.
Next. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exit. More options. Select the default music service. Heading.
Select the default music service. So now we can set up our music service here. Whether we want it to be YouTube, iHeartRadio, let's see what we got to choose from here.
The assistant will automatically play sponsored link. YouTube Music button. YouTube Music. Google Play Music button.
And we got Google Play, YouTube Music,
Play Music subscription. Spotify button. Free service
Spotify,
Pandora. Free radio
Pandora,
service, Deezer button. Deezer Premium Plus account required.
Deezer, let's see,
Deezer button. Deezer Premium Plus account required.
Deezer Premium Plus account, don't know what that is.
Next button.
So I want to tap on
YouTube Music Premium membership active.
YouTube Music since I am a premium member.
YouTube Music Premium membership active. The assistant sponsored link. Selected. YouTube Music button.
Okay, so double tap on next
Next button.
once you've chosen your music provider.
Next. Exit setup button. Exits. More options. Link radio services. Heading. Let everyone play radio just by asking the assistant. Learn more button.
Okay, so now it's asking you if you want to link a radio service.
Sponsored link. Try free for 90 days. Free Sirius XM Premier subscription for 3 months for new subscribers. $39 savings.
You can do Sirius XM radio, which I don't want to do, but you can double tap on that and learn more about that if you want to.
Start free trial button. Sirius XM. Link service button. Subscription required. Not now. Button. Next. Button. Next.
Okay, not now.
Not now.
So for me, if you want to link either one of them, you just double tap on next, but not now for me.
Not now.
So we'll double tap on the not now button, or if you want to set one up, you double tap on next.
Next button. Not now. Button. Exit setup button. Exit. More options. Link video services. Head. Let everyone watch your videos. Learn more. Button. Sponsored link.
Okay, so now we can link a video service like Netflix. Let's see,
Hulu.
Hulu,
Account required. CBS account required.
CBS,
Start account required. Video account required.
just all different ones.
Video account required. Link. Video account required. Speaking rate. Volume. Speaking. Words. Characters. Words. Vicky. 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 Account.
Vicky, I don't know what that is.
Link service. Button. Vicky. Start account required. Link service. Button.
So I'm just gonna
Next. Button. Next. Not now. Button.
click on not now for right now.
Not now. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Link with TV services. Head. Let everyone watch it. Learn more. Sponsor.
Okay,
Link.
not
Next.
now.
Premium account required. Link search. Not next. Button. Not now. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Enhance your cast devices. Heading. Add the assistant to your cast devices to personalize your experience and enable. Selected. Android TV. Button. ASAITM. Not now. Button. Next. Next.
Okay, not now.
Not now. Button. Activity indicator. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Get started with voice calls. Heading. Use your existing Google. You can remove your Duo. Use your existing Google Duo account for high quality voice calls with anyone who has Duo.
Okay, so now you can link your Google Duo account. Also, forgot to mention you can make voice calls with this speaker. So now it's going to give me the option to link my Google Duo account. So I want to do that.
You can remove your Duo account from your not now. Button. Continue. Continue. Button.
So we want to double tap on the continue button.
Continue. End. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Welcome back. Heading. The number +1 60662.
Okay, it's giving my number.
Not your number. You can change. Go back. Continue. Continue.
Okay, so it's going to verify. It's going to show your phone number. So when it shows if it's the right phone number, click on continue.
Continue. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Stay in the know. Heading. Stay up to date on Google's hardware products and related emails will be sent to your inbox. No thanks. Button. Sign up. Sign up. Button.
Okay, so it's going to ask you if you want to stay up to date with Google services like that. They'll send you emails and stuff about new products. Okay.
Exits. More options. Stay in the know. Heading. Stay up to date on Google's hardware products and related features, services, and offers. Plus, receive invitations to help improve Google hardware products and related services. Learn more. Link. Emails will be sent to your inbox at gmail.com. No thanks. Button. Sign up. Sign up. Button.
Okay, so I want to click on no thanks because I don't want them sending me emails all the time. So no thanks.
No thanks. End.
Or you can double tap on sign up if you're interested.
Sign up. End. Activity. Sign up. No thanks. End. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Almost done. Heading.
Okay, it says almost done.
Here's a review of what you have set up.
Here's a review of what you have set up.
Address 151 Charlie Maynard Road.
Address,
Devices. Eric Smart Speaker.
Eric Spark speaker,
Services. YouTube. Music.
which is your device. Services, YouTube Music.
Wi-Fi. F608.
Wi-Fi, which is my Wi-Fi. It shows everything you got set up to it here.
Voice calling. You can make and receive.
Voice calls with Google Duo. Okay, got that set up.
Next. Button. Next.
Now we want to double tap on next.
Next. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Learn about the controls on your Nest Mini. Heading.
You know, I'm very surprised at how accessible this is, so I'm going to leave positive feedback in the app, I think.
Not now. Button. Learn about the controls on your Nest Mini. Heading.
Okay, so it's giving you some options to learn about the controls on your Nest Mini, so I'm going to click continue because I don't know, because this is my first Google device I've got. So
Not now. Next. Next.
let's
Button.
click on next.
Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Play and pause. Heading. Tap the center of your Nest Mini.
Play and pause, tap the center of your Nest Mini.
Next. Button. Next. Button. Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Change volume. Heading. Tap the right or left side to change volume.
Right or left side to change volume. Okay.
Tap the right or left side to change volume. When something is playing, the lights will turn on as your hand gets close.
Okay.
Next. Button. Next.
Next.
Exit setup. Button. Exit. More option. Light switch. Heading. To turn off the mic. Slide
Mic's on the
next.
back.
Next. Next. Button.
Know
Next.
that.
Exit setup. Button. Exits. More options. Eric Smart Speaker is ready. Heading.
Eric Spark speaker is ready.
Let's get started. Continue. Continue.
Continue.
Exit setup. Button.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. It's great to meet you. There are a lot of ways I can help you get things done. Let's try a few, or if you already know your way around, just say I'm done. First, we'll play a short music clip. Say, hey, and then Google, and ask me to play your favorite artist.
Hey Google, play Eminem.
Alright, here's Eminem on YouTube Music. You can always feel free to ask, what song is this?
Hey Google, what song is this?
This is Not Afraid by Eminem.
Alexa, stop.
In addition to playing music, I can also help you with
Wait,
some everyday
not
tasks.
Alexa.
Try asking me for the time.
Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 4:41 p.m.
More options. Just start.
One last tip, I can get all sorts of information for you. For instance, try asking about the weather.
Okay Google, what's the weather?
Currently in Beauty it's 69 degrees and cloudy. Today, there will be isolated thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 69 and a low of 56.
Okay, so you can either say okay or...
That's it for now, but there's a lot we didn't cover. Whenever you want, feel free to ask me, what can you do?
Okay, so you can say hey, Google, or okay, and then she'll respond with either hey or okay, but you got to say the Google word. Hey Google, what can you do for me?
Check these out. You can say, show me my pictures from New York, or is my flight on time?
Hey Google, max volume. Hey Google, what's your name?
Did I forget to introduce myself? I'm your Google Assistant. What's your name?
Eric Sparks. Hey Google, who am I?
Your name is Eric.
Hey Google, where am I located?
Your current location is Martin County, Kentucky.
Okay.
Music. Play some music. View more. Button. View more. What's the traffic to work? Tell me about exit. More options. Exit setup. Button. More options. Click. Get answer. Tell me about what's the traffic. Will I need finish setup? Add. Button. Add. Sign in as Eric Sparks. Invite home. Dismiss. Button. Invite home member. Button. Dismiss. Let Netflix. Button. Dismiss. Let Netflix. Dismiss. Button. Google Games folder.
Okay, so that should be what it's like. Hey Google, play some non-copyrighted music.
Alright, check out this non-copyrighted music station on YouTube Music.
I'll do a little sound test.
Hold me close till I get up.
That's as loud as it gets. Hey Google, next. Hey Google, play Bike Life.
Okay, here's a YouTube Music playlist called Children's Instrumental Bedtime Tunes.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, sing a song.
Yes, I can sing. I like to help you, even if it's strange, so I sing.
Hey Google, sing another song.
Finally, it's here. I've been waiting for this chance. I could be on Broadway if only I could dance.
Hey Google, what can you do for me?
Try one of these. You can say, what stores can I shop? Or, I want to make brownies.
Hey Google, what stores can I shop?
You can order household essentials, toys, pet supplies, and more from stores like Walgreens, Target, and PetSmart. To try it out, ask me to order something you need.
Hey Google, can you order stuff from Amazon?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey Google, what do you think about Alexa?
She seems pretty smart.
Hey Google, what's the best voice assistant?
On the website techradar.com, they say, the general consensus seems to be that Google Assistant is, largely, the most accurate voice assistant.
Oh,
If
really?
you've got a lot of Apple products, of course Siri is the best, and for overall compatibility, you're best opting for Alexa. To find out more, look for the link in your Google Home or Google Assistant app.
So that's pretty cool. So I can also create a calendar. I can also make phone calls. So we're going to make a phone call real fast so I can demonstrate how to make a phone call. Hey Google, call 606-298-7762.
Sure. Since this is your first call with your Google Home, here are a couple of notes. First, emergency numbers aren't available. Next, you can tell me to hang up at the end of your call. Now, let's get started. Calling 606-298-7762.
Good afternoon. Our online banking provides account information.
Hey Google, hang up. Okay, so the call quality is really good. Let's see how the microphones sound. Hey Google, call Cody Charles.
Just a reminder, emergency calls aren't available from your Google Home. When you're done, tell me to hang up. Now, let's get started. Calling Cody Charles.
I don't think he has a Google Duo account. Okay. I don't think he has a Google Duo account. So, overall, the call quality sounded good. So, that's just a list of things you can do for it and how to set it up. So, if there's any more questions that you might have about it, you can leave them in the comments section, and I'll be happy to get back with you on the comments. So, as of now, I want to thank you for watching this video, and look forward to more tech videos coming up, and we'll figure stuff out together, and I'll show everybody how to work their stuff. So I'll see you later.